One of the things people don't realize is that the rest of the world is a market roughly the size of the US. What I mean, if you take all of the kind of equity value of the global markets, it's roughly, depends on the year, obviously, but it's roughly the size of the US. So there's a large opportunity. And some of these markets, I think, are very compelling for specific idiosyncratic reasons. I think people are most familiar about that when it comes to Metaplanet because they're aware of the tax treatment and the interest rate and the currency environment. And so the argument is that like a treasury company has a structural advantage in the Japanese market compared to other markets. And what we've learned over time is that it's usually more like that than not. So when you look at global markets, it's rare or it's less common that there's either not a tax scenario, a regulatory scenario, an access scenario, trapped capital funds. Generally, when you're looking at these markets, you're constantly finding these sorts of arbitrages that, equities are just treated better than Bitcoin at this moment in time. Like maybe that doesn't last forever, but equities are what the system kind of runs on. Equities are what investors are used to. And I think you even see this with MicroStrategy, right? Like I point this out to people all the time. You get these reports of like some of the biggest pools of capital in the world buying MicroStrategy, right? Like sovereign wealth funds and like huge pools of capital. And then you could ask the question, well, why didn't they buy the ETF? The answer is because people are geared to invest in corporations, in equities. That's just how it works.
Yeah,